Do you want to understand real English conversations about weekend plans?
Or maybe you want to speak English naturally when talking with friends.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about weekend activities, hobbies, and making plans.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about weekend plans.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use in daily conversations.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not yet.
Really?
Yes, I'm still thinking about it.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like watching movies and relaxing.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I enjoy spending time with friends.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm going to visit a new cafe.
That sounds fun.
Would you like to join me?
Sure.
Great.
Do you like trying new cafes?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I love coffee and meeting new people.
That's interesting.
What hobbies do you have?
I enjoy photography.
Really?
Yes.
What do you like taking pictures of?
Nature and city views.
That sounds amazing.
It's very relaxing.
I should try it someday.
You definitely should.
Have you ever had a funny weekend experience?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I planned to wake up early for a hike.
And
I accidentally slept until noon.
no way.
Yes.
Did you still go hiking?
No, I stayed home instead. What about you?
I once went to the wrong cafe.
Seriously?
Yes.
How?
I mixed up the addresses.
That's funny.
I was very confused.
At least it's a good story now.
Exactly. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.